Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So yesterday I showed you how to make this lovely laminated journal cover, which is really lovely. And today I'm going to show you how to make the little pouches that go in the book, in your journal. And they're really lovely. They're like just little pockets like that. I popped a little paper clip on there, so you just open them up. You can pop your receipts or any of your little embellishments inside to keep them all safe. So it's like a double pocket that just sort of like slips through. This isn't my idea. I was watching a video, I can't remember which one it was, but I'll pop the link down below, and somebody was making them to put your silicone stamps into on their little sheets, and I thought it was a really good idea, so I might be doing that as well, which is a great idea. So but these are lovely, really lovely, just little pockets, lovely little pockets to slip receipts or all sorts of things that you can pop in there, that you don't want to stick into your journals or anything like that. So it's quite simple. You need two pouches like this, laminate pouches, and I'm going to cut them up. So you want to cut 2 strips down, okay, and we'll take my little cutter here. I hope it's not gonna go blurry. Let me just move my journal out of the way. So what I want to do, I want to cut a little round end bit off, so it's straight. So I'm just going to pop that down there first and cut that piece off. I'm going to turn it this way. So we want to do them, the height, I want them to be 5. So I'm just going to cut that down. Well, it will be just under 5 in the end. And each little pocket I want to be 4 inches. So they will be 5 inches tall and 4 inches wide. So we can get 4 of the little pockets out of one sheet. So let me just cut this one. So this one will be 5. Oh, so is that straight? I think so. By 4. And then this one by 4. I did them this size because I can then pop them onto another laminated sheet and they will all fit on together. Okay, so let's pop that out of the way. I'm going to get another laminated pouch here, okay, and then I'm going to open it up like this. Now I'm hoping I'm in shot here. Yes, I believe so. Okay, so then we take one of our little pockets that we've cut, and then we want to open them up and then turn them back to back. So you've got the shiny on the inside and the sticky bit on the outside. So what I want to do, you want to pop it as close to the edge as you can. Well, just like that, so you've got like a little lip there. Take another one and just pop them back to back. Make sure they're straight, and then pop that one at the edge, but you want these to be in line with each other, just so you've got a little gap in between. Okay, just like that. I think that's about even. Probably do it a little bit better at home when you can put your head over the top of it. So then we can put another one here, just like that. I'm going to turn my laminator on a minute, and take this one and pop it back to back. Pop it like that. Try and get them as straight as you can. This way, so this bit's straight, because that's the way we're going to do it. Now what I've done, I've cut some little strips of paper. So these are 1/2 inch wide, and then I've done it 3 3/4 inches long. So I'm just going to pop those over the top, just as close to the top as you can, just like that, because we're going to cut that off. And then another one this side. Oopsie daisy. Just going to pop that on just to embellish it, just to make it look pretty. And I got another one here, as close as you can get. then let me have a look. I have another one here. You can put any shape, anything at the top. I did try and do it either side, but trying to get them lined up without having to see any white was impossible. So I've just decided to use the double-sided. This is just scrap paper from the journals that we were using, so I've just used the double-sided. And then we want to pop the pouch over the top, just like that, and then we want to get our little laminator, and then we want to pop this through. Let's just wait for it's going to just heat up just a little bit, and I'm going to pop it through. Wrong end, this end. Make sure you've got the end here that's closed to go through first. Pop that through just like that. Okay, there we go. Turn that off and pop that to the side. So there we go, we've got the 4 little pouches in there. So I'm going to get my little Fiskars cutter again. Now what we want to do, we want to come right as close as we can to this top line here. So this is why you need to get that as straight as you can. I was a little bit wibbly wobbly then, but never mind. So I'm going to cut that off like that. And then we want to cut to the end, just to the end, just to leave a little bit here where you can see without opening it up. So a couple of little sort of centimetres on there. And you can just about see that. And then what I'm going to do, let me just cut this one while we're there. While we're here, let's cut this one so we can open up the little pockets. Just like that. Down through here. Oops. I think that's about right. Ooh, that was very close. Right, I'm going to take this away, and I'm going to get my little corner punch and just chop those little sharp pieces off, just like that, either side. Oops. And the same with this one. Just like that. Now you can pop it through the laminator again if you wanted to. So these open up nicely like that. So you've got little pockets, and what I've done, I've just bent it. Just bend it down where the creases are. So you've left that, you've got that little gap in there. Like that, and just squash those down like that both ways, like this. And then I'm going to do the same with this one. Just bend them down, and this one just like that, and then I will show you what it looks like, just like that. Take these ones out, that will just slip in there like that, like that. This one looks a bit bigger actually, doesn't it? Oh no, maybe not. Maybe it was just me, but there we go, easy peasy. And then you've got a little pocket to pop. Let's have a look what we got. I've got a little index card here, so that can just pop inside. Just like that, so you've got something to write on, something to pop all your little bits and pieces in, and I think they look great on there. So what can we pop in here? Let's have another index card, seeing they're handy there, and that just slips in there like that. So I think they're perfect and really simple. And again, I'll pop the link down below where I saw this idea from. Just to pop, because they're a really good idea as well, to pop your silicone stamps in there, and then you can see exactly what you've got on there. So I think they're really good. Okay guys, well I hope you found that easy. I'm not quite sure whether I like the black background on here. I used to have the black background, but it's quite dark now. but I thought it would be a lot easier for you to see the little pouches on there. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.